Hello and welcome back to my channel Dr. Mobo. In this video I will show you how to hard reset factory reset this model Huawei Y9 2019. As you can see here, model of this JKM LX1. So let's start. First of all, we have to power off this mobile phone, because I already have done, so I have to keep pressing this. Now press hold volume up and power button for one, and then after that you have to keep pressing these buttons. So we'll wait till it shows the boot menu where we can reset our mobile phone at the factory restore. Hard reset will do it. As you can see here, we have here over menu, boot menu. As you can see, by pressing this volume down button, you will see wipe data factory reset. So with the you can select with the power button. Now after that, with the volume up, click on wipe data factory reset and again press power button. What you will have to do, you will see here option, you have to write down yes, and then again you have to it will show you have to click here, and you can see here it is factory reset. Once it's done 100%, it will restart. For the FRP bypassing, I have given link in description. For this model, I have shown in that model how to bypass FRP of this model Huawei Y9 2019. So as you can see, it is moving towards 100%. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Now, as you can see here, it's done. So with the now we have to reboot our device. So simply click on reboot system now, and it's done. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.